For the shorts you need to scroll left and right, and for the normal videos you need to scroll up and down. So how do you see the recently watched short videos on YouTube? So open the YouTube app, make sure that you are signed in with the ID for which you want to see the history. Then go to the bottom right, click this library icon, and in the next screen you would see on the top title history, and in that you would see the recently watched videos. But hold on, I want to just give you one more tip. It's not a long video. These are the normal videos, and then this was a single short video, then this is a normal video. But look here I watched around 14 short videos in one go. So instead of showing the separate thumbnail for every short, they've made a collage of all the thumbnails, and they have mentioned 14 watched, and then the title is shorts, which means that in that one go I watched the 14 shorts. So you can just click on that and you can start to watch these videos. Otherwise, here you can see that before this session I watched 7 short videos, and then there was a single short video, and then if I keep going back you would see that here I watched 16 short videos, then there was a normal video. But in case you want to see it more clearly, I would highly recommend that you click this view all, and then you will have a new screen in which you will see the YouTube watch history day wise. Right on the top you would see that there is a word today written here, and below that we have a history of the videos that I have watched today. Interestingly, the short section is on the top, and you can just scroll left and right to watch or look for all the short videos that you have watched today. And if you want to see a video which you have watched and it was not short, for that you need to scroll vertically up or down, and then you will keep going down. In that history, if you have occasionally watched one short video, you would see as it is shown here, this was a one short video, and then before and after that it is a normal video. So you can just keep scrolling down and you can find out your watch history in the YouTube. Again, on the October 11th the short videos are shown on the top, and then the normal videos are shown on the bottom. For the shorts you need to scroll left and right, and for the normal videos you need to scroll up and down. Thanks for watching.